Welcome to BBQPitBoys.com. Today we're grilling up some Jim Beam country ribs at the pit, and it's real easy to do. And right off, we have to thank Jim Beam for sponsoring this video. We appreciate your support. All right, now this recipe is real easy to do. Just grab your favorite bottle of Jim Beam sauce, or in this case, we're going to use all of them. Right now, this is a country-style rib as it's sold in the market. It's not a rib; it's more of a chop. It's cut off the loin ends, right? And this is what they end up with. But they make great eating at the pit. Now, here some of them will have a little bit of bone in there. That's fine, right? And we're going to put them in a cast iron pan and cover them with Jim Beam sauce. I told you it's going to be easy to do. Now, we simmer them for a reason, because this will really tenderize them over the 2-hour cook. We're going to place them over some hot coals and bring it to simmer. Simple enough. And if you've never had Jim Beam country ribs before, you definitely got to check it out. Some good eating at the pit. All right, didn't take long. We brought them up to simmer. We're going to pull them off the direct heat. Just slow it down just a little bit. We got plenty of time, right? And it might take a couple hours to do this, and it'll get nice and tender. Take a look at that. Oh, we're going to be eating good tonight, Martha. All right. We're about a little over an hour in this, more or less, right? You can see they're coming along. They're still fairly firm, so they're not ready yet. All right. Now, take a look at this. In the miracle of time, we're going to pull them out. This has been about 2 hours, and now we're going to grill them. We're going to get that char on both sides, right? Oh, this will finish them up real good. And be careful, because now this is all sugar-based, of course. So you could very easily burn these. So you just flip them, mop them, put some more of that Jim Beam sauce over there, and get the char just the way you like it, right? Lord have mercy. Can you smell that? It smells good. Now, we're going to serve these on some rolls. You can pretty them up and serve them on a plate with some slaw and beans, but we're just going to eat them just like this. Throw a little bit more of that sauce on there. Throw them on a good roll. Are you getting hungry or what? And if you're not, you're on the wrong damn channel. Take a look at that. Just fall apart. Better than pulled pork, some say. Just do it like this. A lot easier, a lot faster. Keep mopping on that sauce. Waiting on it. Oh, you better make a bunch of these. Yeah. And of course, as always, we do apologize for eating in front of you like this, but we call this Pitmaster privilege. For the recipe, head on over to our website. All right, man. And if you could, we'd appreciate if you could subscribe to us, follow us, ring that bell, maybe. And we appreciate your support. We've got chapters in over 100 countries, and we're proud to have you. So the next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out BBQPitBoys.com.